Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Highmark Residential app is and how it's positioned. Highmark Residential is a lifestyle app designed specifically for residents of Highmark managed apartment communities, allowing them to manage tasks and property-related services from their phone, based on official App Store descriptions. It is positioned as a resident experience platform that centralizes communication, services, and property information into one digital interface, according to official developer information. Users can manage tasks, communicate with property management, and access community-related information directly within the app, which are listed as core features in official listings. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app allows residents to submit maintenance requests and track their progress without needing to visit the leasing office, which is described in official feature details. It also includes communication tools that enable direct messaging between residents and management teams for faster updates and issue resolution. According to official App Store information, users can post on a community bulletin board and access local deals and updates related to their property. The platform provides access to important property information, including community guidelines, event notifications, and amenity-related updates, which may help residents stay informed. Some features, such as specific services or available tools, may vary depending on the property or management setup, and this should be considered a potential limitation. Access to the app is generally limited to residents of participating Highmark communities, meaning it may not function as a standalone consumer app. This app may be useful for residents who want a centralized way to manage communication, maintenance, and community updates. For users interested in simplifying apartment-related tasks through a mobile platform, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.